Assalamu alaikum. You ever wondered what it's like to be a busy honeybee? Join us as we dive into the incredible world of honeybees and experience a day in their buzzing lives. This video about the day in the life of honeybee. This document expresses the fascinating daily routine of honeybees, highlighting its role, activities, and the importance of its contribution to the ecosystem. Understanding the life of a honeybee not only sheds light on their complex social structure but also emphasizes the critical role they play in pollination and food production. This journey begins from the morning and look like a busy day. As dawn breaks, the hive began to stir. Worker bees who are responsible for foraging, cleaning, and caring for the queen and larvae wake up and prepare for the day ahead. The temperature inside the hive is kept warm by the bees' collective body heat, creating a comfortable environment for the queen and her brood. The first task of the day for many worker bees is to perform a waggle dance to communicate the location of nearby flowers rich in nectar and pollen. This dance is crucial for the efficiency of a hive as it transforms other bees where to find food. In the middle of the morning, once the sun is fully up, the foragers set out on the journey. They leave the hive in search of flowers, using their keen sense of smell to locate the best sources of nectar and pollens. Honeybees are known to visit hundreds of flowers in a single day, collecting nectar to bring back to the hive. While foraging, honeybees play a vital role in pollination as they move from flowers to flower. They transfer pollen, which are essential for plant reproduction. This process not only helps the plant but also support the entire ecosystem as many animals depend on these plants for food. In the afternoon, when the honeybee return to their hive for after a successful foraging trip, the honeybee return to the hive laden with nectar and pollen. The nectar is stored in the honey stomach, where enzymes begin to break it down. Upon arrival, the bee regurgitates the nectar into the mouths of other worker bees, who then process it further by fanning their wings to evaporate excess water, turning it into honey. During this time, bees also engage in cleaning and maintenance of the hive. They remove debris, care for the queen, and ensure that the brood is well fed and healthy. This teamwork is essential for hive survival and productivity. In the evening, for preparing night, as the sun begins to set, the activity in the hive starts to wind down. Foraging bees return home and the hive become quieter. The worker bees will spend the evening tending to the queen and larvae, ensuring that the next generation of bees is well taken care of. Before nightfall, the bees seal the entrance to the hive to protect it from predator and maintain a stable temperature inside. The hive is a bustling community and each bee plays a vital role in its success. And the conclusion in the day of Honeybee is filled with the hard work, collaboration, and dedication. From foraging from nectar to caring the queen and larvae, honeybee demonstrate remarkable social behavior and ecological importance. Understanding their daily activities not only highlights their role in their ecosystem but also underscores the need to protect these vital pollinators for further generation.